dynamic, energetic, and dedicated teachers. Their passion and energy seems to know no bond. God Ganesha's name is always evoked before any other goddess name. So let us begin with an invocation to Lord Ganesha. Vakratunda Mahakaya Surya Koti Samaprabha Nirvignam Kurume Devo Sarvakareshu Sarvada. Thank you. Now I request one by one teachers to express and talk something. Thank you.
You call the name, na?
Premjit, you will unmute one by one, or
Hello.
how the
I request Ranade Miss to speak something. Ranade Miss.
हाँ बोलो.
Ashish.
सबको बहुत बहुत
Okay, you make me.
धन्यवाद.
You make me the host. You make me the host, Ashish. So I will unmute one by one. I'll send the message. हाँ, Ranade Miss, आप बोलिए. तो मैं एक एक को unmute के लिए option देती हूँ.
अच्छा. अच्छा. सबको बहुत आशीष और आपने जो हम लोग का ख्याल किया है उसके लिए बहुत धन्यवाद. ऐसे ही दिन आपके जीवन में आते रहें और हम आपसे मिलते रहें इसी आशा के साथ. धन्यवाद.
Thank you, ma'am. Now I request Shobha Lawan ma'am to speak something. Shobha ma'am. Shobha ma'am, you have to unmute yourself. I am giving you. Yes, Shobha ma'am, you can talk now.
Hello, got it?
Yes, ma'am. We are able to hear you.
Okay, good evening, everybody. A very happy Teachers' Day to all the teachers. I take this opportunity to thank all my dear students for remembering us on this day and calling us. And we are so happy to see each one of you, especially our teachers, after a long time. It's a great pleasure to see all our students also. On this occasion, again, I wish all the students a very bright future and a great success in their life. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome.
I request Padma Miss to unmute herself. Santosh.
Hi. Premjit, first of all, I congratulate Premjit to arrange all this meeting and making our group. And first of all, thank you very much. That make us to get in touch every day, something or the other. Okay. Anyway, congratulations and thank you for everything. You remembering this Teachers' Day and making this occasion like this. Okay. After a long time, I am meeting my student Santosh today. Actually, really shocked. Very happy. And I want to meet you all.
Now.
Anyway, thanks a lot, and for you, for everybody, happy Teachers' Day, and very enjoyment today. All of us can
happy
enjoy.
Teachers' Day to you also.
Okay.
And Santosh
Next time,
is fortunate
with a tea or a coffee. Now nothing we can share. Okay, only happiness we can share. Okay. Okay then.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you. I request Kamala Miss to unmute herself.
Hello.
Yes, ma'am, you can talk
Happy
now.
Teachers' Day. Really, I thank all the students for joining and me group. That last year that you have started one group along with all the teachers and ex-students. So really I was happy. So I told her, you give my name in that group. I was so happy. After that I could come
Yeah,
in
but
contact with so many teachers and so many things. Really I'm very happy. I bless all the children in future. God bless everybody. The happy Teachers
thank,
Day. I'm happy to see all the teachers, friends here. I'm very happy.
thank you, ma'am. It is all because of Padma Miss and Meenakshi Miss. They had given
Yeah,
all the
Meenakshi
numbers of
also.
all the teachers.
Yeah, all the teachers,
Still,
Meenakshi also.
yeah, 1 minute. Thank you, ma'am. Champa ma'am, you can talk. I'm unmuting you. Yes, Champa ma'am. Champa ma'am.
Premjit, I think a teacher was not able to do that unmute option.
Tell her to
1 minute.
Anyone there at Champa ma'am's place?
No idea. I have to check.
Because I think she's not able to unmute it.
Champa ma'am, see there is one option on the left hand side. Mute, unmute, stop video. Ah, now she can talk. Yes, yes, done. Hello. Hello, Champa ma'am. Hello, Champa ma'am. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, ma'am. Now we can hear you.
Hello. No,
Yes, ma'am. You can.
express your feeling.
There is some connection problem, I guess.
Stop something. Something, Panchamba.
Ah. Hello.
I have a table here.
So we'll try after 5 minutes. Okay, this meeting is going to get over. So again, we are joining the same meeting. Okay, I'll send the link. Ashish, how much time is left?
10 minutes. 10 minutes.
Acha, theek hai, then we'll ask other teachers to do then.
Yeah.
Premjit, we can move forward to the next teacher.
Yes, yes. Purani Miss,
Hello.
you can start. Hello. Hello. Purani ma'am, unmute yourself.
हॅलो, ऐकू येत आहे का? ऐकू येत आहे का?
हाँ अभी आ रहा है मैम. हो.
गुड
Yes.
इव्हिनिंग टू ऑल. हॅपी टीचर्स डे.
Good evening.
अँड मला तुम्हाला सर्वांना इतक्या दिवसांनी भेटल्यावर खूप आनंद झालाय. सगळे दिसत आहेत. अगदी प्रत्येक टीचर, लैला आहे, गीता आहे, कमला आहे, चंपा आहे, नजमा आहे, लिन्सी आहे. सगळे टीचर्स मला दिसत आहेत आणि मला खूप आनंद होतोय. माझे डिअर स्टुडंट्स आहेत, शिल्पा, सुमित, तसे सगळे स्टुडंट्स आहेत. सगळ्यांची नावं मी घेत नाहीये कारण वेळ कमी आहे. पण मला सगळ्यांना भेटून खूप आनंद झाला आणि तुम्ही असेच कनेक्टेड राहा. नेहमी आमच्याशी असे व्हिडिओ तरी वरती बोला किंवा आपण कधी भेटू हे करोना वगैरे संपल्यावर. आणि तुम्हाला सगळ्यांना खूप खूप आशीर्वाद. गॉड ब्लेस यू. माय ब्लेसिंग्स आर ऑलवेज विथ यू माय डिअर चिल्ड्रेन. आणि तुम्ही मला
Thank you,
खूप
ma'am.
आवडता. ओके, धन्यवाद. बाय.
Thank you, ma'am. Geeta ma'am from primary section. Ma'am, unmute yourself. Ma'am, you will get a link to unmute yourself.
Geeta ma'am, happy Teachers Day.
Thank you. Thank you. So now, see, all small kids, we were thinking of kids only. Now all have grown up. We couldn't identify who are they. But anyhow, God bless you all. Happy Teachers Day. And thank you so much for inviting us for this day. Okay. So
Thank you,
thank you.
ma'am.
God bless you all.
Thank
God
you.
bless
Thank
you
you,
all.
ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. I request now Nazma Mills to speak something. Nazma
Hello.
ma'am.
Yes, hello.
Yes, ma'am, we can hear you. Yes, ma'am.
Hello. Very good evening to each and every one of you, and a very happy Teachers' Day to all my beloved teachers as well as the students who have turned out to be teachers, and my other students. All my blessings with you all. It's so very nice of you to keep us linked, and really, I'm so delighted, so happy to see all my teachers and my students right in front of my eyes. Yes, even in this coronavirus, we are not able to go out of the house. In the house itself, we are able to see each and every one. So I really congratulate each and every one and wish you all the best, especially Premjit and the others who have taken up so much. Ashish, I'm so happy to see you along with your mummy. Okay, and all the best to all my dear students and my teachers. See, I couldn't talk to all the teachers. Since so long, I have been calling out to Geeta, to Lindsay, Shobha. I can't see Radha at all, my best friend. Okay, anyway, thank you so much.
No, she is
God
there.
bless
She
all
is
of
there,
you.
ma'am, but the light is
Yeah,
not
but
there.
I
Moto
can't see her
E.
only, no? So ask
Moto
her
E
to
is
show me
there, but
her face
light.
afterwards. Okay, okay.
Yes, yes, you will get the time in the next meeting.
Okay, okay. Thanks so much.
Now,
Thanks.
thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. I request Moni ma'am to unmute herself.
Hello everyone. Happy Teachers Day to all the
Good evening,
teachers.
ma'am.
And I am very happy to all the students, all my dear students, and especially Prabjit to arrange this meeting.
Thank you.
Thank you once again. Thank you all.
Thank you, ma'am. I request Meenakshi Miss to unmute herself. Meenakshi ma'am. Meenakshi ma'am. You will get a link to unmute yourself.
Connection
Yes,
is
ma'am.
unstable.
Yes.
Halal.
Good evening, students, and all my colleagues, Shoma madam, happy Teachers Day to everyone. Even in this pandemic, really you have really well arranged very well. So God bless you all.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. I request Lindsay ma'am to unmute herself.
Hello, you can hear me?
Yeah. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Good evening and very, very you to everyone, Premjit, and all the students who have taken so much effort to conduct this meeting. And I think Premjit, you are the backbone of this group and of this meeting. So a special thank you to you. A happy Teachers' Day to all my dear friends, to my dear colleagues, to my dear students. Many of our students are teachers. Along with that, the other students also. A very happy Teachers' Day. And I really, really, really thank all of you all for taking so much effort, because it is not only that we are there in your thoughts. You all have gone out of the way to do all this for us and keep us connected. So thank you very much, Premjit, and thank you everyone in this group. And all the best. May God bless each one of you all and have a nice day. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Radha ma'am, Radha ma'am, please unmute yourself.
Hello, good evening. And
Good
happy
evening, ma'am.
Teachers'
Actually,
Day.
we are not able to see you, ma'am.
I don't know how come I am able to see everybody.
But the light is not there in your background.
Madam, you can switch on the light. Madam, can you switch on the light?
Light you want to switch on?
Now you got up, so we can see you,
see.
ma'am.
Now we can see you.
Now.
You are able to see me?
Now we can
Now we
see.
are able to see. Yes, now you talk, ma'am.
Now?
Yes.
Dasba teacher is waiting since long to see you.
Okay. Good evening. And happy Teachers' Day to everybody. And my dear children, those who have become teachers now. And special thanks to Premjit and others for organizing such a wonderful meeting. Previously, we used to teach you. Now, you people are teaching us. The thing which we were not aware. And first time I have learned something from our children. Thank you so much for taking this great effort. I wish all my children a great success and a bright future. Thank you once again, my children, and happy Teachers' Day to all my colleagues. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Now I request Sumati Miss to unmute herself. Sumati ma'am, kindly unmute yourself.
Hello, Premjit, can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Good evening to one and all, and happy Teachers' Day to all the senior teachers, colleagues, everybody, and all the children. And a special thanks to Premjit for arranging the Zoom meeting so that we could see everybody, especially the pre-primary teachers, Champa teacher, Kamla teacher. After a long time, we are seeing them. Thank you very much, Premjit. God bless you all. You have made this.
Thank you, ma'am, but it is all a team effort, not.
No, Premjit, actually, you have made this 2020 Teachers' Day a memorable one. We will never forget this in our life. Thank you very much for making this. And
Thank you,
God bless
ma'am.
all the children. Santosh Wagmare, can you see me? Santosh Wagmare, who's sitting near
He is
Padma
with me.
teacher.
He is with me. Sumati, you remember me?
This year Santosh is one of the fortunate students to be his teacher.
Okay, God bless
But we can't recognize them.
Ma'am, now I think it will get Ashish.
Introduced me.
Thank you, ma'am. Ashish, how much time is left?
Okay.
5 minutes.
5 minutes, na? Okay. Champa ma'am, now try unmute yourself. Champa ma'am, unmute yourself. You can talk now, ma'am. Hello, Champa ma'am. Hello. Hello. Hello.
I think that unmute option is not getting Premjit, I think so. Teacher must be
But
not getting that
unmute, she
unmute
has
option.
done her unmute.
Okay.
She's already
Some technical issue must be there. Network issue must be there.
maybe. Okay, then I request somebody else then. Hello, Champa teacher, are you able to hear me? Hello. Okay, Geeta teacher, you can add unmute.
Good evening, all of y'all, and happy Teachers' Day to all my colleagues, my friends, and Premjit, because you belong to this fraternity of teachers. Happy Teachers' Day to you also.
Thank you, ma'am.
And for me, this Teachers' Day is not only September 5th. I'm very happy that we are always there in your memory. That's why you'll always think about us, plan something good for us, all the teachers. First of all, I would like to give my heartfelt condolences to Suhail, since I can see him face to face. And thank you for all the children for putting in so much effort. And that's that's a gift that we are getting back for the effort that we have put in. God bless each one of you all. And all my colleagues and my friends, please take care. And hope to see you always again and again with the help of Premjit. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome, ma'am.
Yes, any of our students want to talk, friends? You can just raise your hand. I will unmute your, I'll send the unmute thing. Just raise your hand. Yes, Ditesh, you want to talk? Tausif, Sukeshni, Sohail, anybody wants to speak something? Sumit, Vikas, Vijaya.
Sukeshni wants to
Sohail.
talk. Sukeshni.
One by one I'll give. Sohail, unmute yourself.
Happy Teachers Day to everyone. बस इतना ही बोलना है. Thank you so much. आज हम लोग जो भी है, जैसे भी है, जहाँ भी है.
Thank you very much, Sohail, आने के लिए.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you, Sohail. Yes, Sukeshni, unmute yourself.
Hello. First of all, to all my teachers.
Yeah, Sukeshni.
Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, Sukeshni, you can.
Yeah. And happy Teachers' Day to all my dear teachers. Thank you so much for everything, what you have taught us and what you have done for us. And I'm very happy to see all of you today after such a long time. So I'm very, very, very happy. And thank you, Premjit, for doing this efforts. Because without you, nothing would be possible. So thank you also. And Puranik teacher, Ranadi teacher, Shobha teacher, everybody. I'm not taking everybody's name. So thank you, all of you. And happy Teachers' Day again. And hope I will see you in every year. So we'll meet every year and after that also and in between also. So thank you, all of you.
Nitesh?
Yeah. Hi.
Nitesh Jain.
Hello. Am I audible?
Bolo.
Hi. Good evening, teachers.
Yes,
Happy
Nitesh,
Teachers'
you
Day.
can.
Good evening, teachers. Happy Teachers' Day. Thank you for guiding us and inspiring us and making us what we are today. Happy Teachers' Day.
Nitesh, your camera just adjusted.
Nitesh, फेस नहीं दिख रहा है तुम्हारा थोड़ा. हाँ
अभी भी नहीं.
नहीं अभी दिख रहा है. एंड थैंक यू वेरी मच अपना टाइम निकाल के यू हैड कम टू जॉइन.
Yeah. Thank you, Premjit, for organizing this.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, teachers.
Yes, Vikas. Vikas, unmute yourself.
No sound. No table here. Why don't you?
Vikas.
Can't hear you.
Tausif.
Yeah, hi.
Tausif.
Hello everyone. Happy
Yes,
Teachers Day
Tausif.
to all my teachers.
Yes, I am able.
I hope you guys remember me. I don't know. I don't have any words to express myself how happy I am today to see everyone, and it feels very good, especially the condition right now what we are living in. So good to see Sumati ma'am. I have very special memories about you. You used to drop me. I don't know whether you remember or not remember. You used to drop me from Chembur station to Kurla station when you were my class teacher in 4th standard. And Geeta ma'am, you have a very special place in my heart for you. So thank you so much. Thank you so much, Puranik ma'am, Ranade ma'am. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. And thank you so much, Premjit, for arranging all this.
Thank you. Welcome. Thank you, Tausif.
Thanks a lot.
Kaleshwari, unmute yourself.
Can you hear me,
Yes.
everyone?
Yes.
Yeah, happy teacher to all my teachers, and I am very glad to see you now. Thank you.
Kaleshwari, teacher want to know what are you doing right now?
Now we
Why?
cannot see. Now we can see.
Kaleshwari, Padma teachers want to know what you are doing right now.
Working.
Right now, I am a teacher.
Okay.
Okay. Vikas, unmute yourself. Vikas.
Vishnu sir also joined us.
Vishnu sir, yes. I am actually unmuting himself.
Yeah. Now he looks like a Don in the movie Don. Good.
Sir, I had requested to unmute yourself. Hello. आप सुन
Hello?
सकते हो सर?
Yes,
हाँ
yes.
सर. Okay. Actually, we lockdown. The face attire is changed.
Oh, yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes. How are you?
Fine, sir. Say you are. Everybody is hearing you.
Yes, sir. Happy Teachers Day, all of you, from myself. Hello. Hello.
Sir. हाँ sir.
Yes, sir. We can
How
hear
are
you.
you?
हाँ
Please
sir.
go ahead.
हाँ sir. आवाज आ रहा है.
So happy Teachers Day from myself, and I'm from
आपके
Dombivli.
यहाँ पर हाँ सर आपका
डोंबिवली
आवाज
से बोल
थोड़ा
रहा हूँ।
ये हो
हाँ।
रहा है.
अच्छा, आवाज नहीं आ रहा है.
Okay. Sir, I have. Sir, I have.
अभी
हाँ सर, अभी बोलिए आप, थोड़ा कट रहा था आवाज।
आप लोग, अच्छा आप लोग कैसे हैं?
हम सब ठीक है सर।
हाँ चलो, ये इस दिन के अवसर पर आप सब लोग से मुलाकात हो रही है। एवरी ईयर हम लोग साथ में मिलते थे,
हाँ हाँ सर, ये साल
लेकिन
नहीं
अभी
मिल पाए
ये
तो
ये
हम
कंडीशन
ऑनलाइन
ऐसा
में
है।
मिले।
लेकिन ऐसा लगता है ना कि ऑनलाइन है, हम लोग सामने सामने है, ऐसा लगता है अभी तो।
हाँ, स्क्रीन
चलो ठीक है।
स्क्रीन
हाँ
टॉकिंग।
यस यस।
थैंक यू सर।
हाँ
शिल्पा, unmute yourself. Thank you sir. शिल्पा।
Yes, Premjit.
Yes शिल्पा, हाँ आवाज जा रहा है, बोलो।
Happy Teachers Day to all my dear teachers and all my friends also, and mostly Premjit who has organized this date for today.
Thank you.
Shilpa, Padma teacher wants to know what you're doing right now.
Nothing, I am in home only, teacher.
That's a big job, Shilpa. Being at home is a big job.
Yeah.
पगार का जॉब है।
हाँ, ये बिना पगार का जॉब है, करेक्ट। बहुत बड़ा जॉब है।
Handling two children in
Yeah,
home,
2
more
kids,
difficult.
Full time sitting at home also boring.
Thank you all for my teachers who attended the meeting for today.
Thank you Shilpa.
अभी तो मान नहीं
Vijaya,
पड़ेगा।
can you unmute yourself? Vijaya, can you unmute yourself?
Hello everyone.
Vijaya. Yes,
Can you
Vijaya.
hear me?
Can you on your video?
Yeah,
Yes,
yeah.
Vijaya, we can hear you but cannot see you. Yes, now it is there.
I hope
Yes,
everyone.
now you can go ahead.
Okay, happy Teachers Day to all. Miss you. Last reunion I was unable to attend due to some reason, and I'm happy to join this. Happy Teachers Day to all my dear teachers who are being here connected with us, and I'm happy to see all my colleagues who are with me. Santosh, after a long time I'm seeing you. Premjit, thank you so much for organizing this.
Yeah.
Thank you all.
You're welcome, dear. Yeah. Yes, Avdesh. Avdesh. Hello, Avdesh, you can hear me?
Premjit, your voice is not coming properly.
Time off.
Hello.
I think so.
Hello. Now, Santosh.
Hello.
Hello.
Yes, we can hear you.
Yes, Champa ma'am. Champa ma'am, are you able to hear
Hello,
me? Can you speak
Can
now?
hear.
Yes.
Can hear.
Hello.
But I am not able to hear talking. Whatever you are talking, I am not able to hear. Why I don't know. Internet
Ma'am, your
problem
voice
or
actually, no, I think internet is not proper.
Yes, you are right,
Then you
Premjit. There must be some internet issue.
Me. Can just not only you say no, I am not able to hear.
She can hear him.
Okay, no problem, madam. No problem.
Yeah, you know.
Premjit, I think teacher is not able to hear us. There must be some technical issue.
Time over, I think.
Premjit, you there?
Okay.
Yeah. Hello.
Yes.
Speak something, Kamba. You speak.
No, she is not able to hear us. That's why.
Champa ma'am, we are sorry, we are unable to hear you properly. But yes, you can convey in the WhatsApp group. Because we are trying, but we are unable to hear you what you are saying.
Oh,
Yes, any left out?
I'm very sorry. I'm not able to
Vidyadhar.
hear
Vidyadhar.
conversation.
Ashish is there, Premjit. Ashish has to speak.
Ah, Ashish is there. Then Leila ma'am is
Ashish,
there.
yes. Let Ashish daughter hear it talking.
How are you?
1 minute. I'll just. Ashish, unmute yourself.
He slept.
No, I think he's there.
He was tired.
Yes,
There, ma'am, because he is only conducting this recording and all that.
He's the host.
Yes, Ashish, you and Leila ma'am can now speak.
Happy Teachers Day. Happy Teachers Day to everyone. I think my daughter was more excited to meet my teachers.
Yeah, she can talk. Tell.
Hello. What is her name?
Advika.
Advika. Hi, Advika.
Hi, ma'am.
Hi, which standard?
First.
Okay. Your grandmother's pet.
Hello, Leila ma'am.
Happy Teachers Day to all of you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thanks, Premjit, for coordinating and arranging all this.
Yeah, thank you to you also. You are also in the team.
I just hosted that.
That is there, but
So, where
it
is
is also
Avdesh?
one of the.
Prenjit, Avdesh is there?
Hopefully, when the.
I am unable to see actually.
I think he's left or
Yes,
what?
once there is some issue, I think, in his
No
net.
problem, no problem. Actually, Padma teacher was asking he's there or not.
Okay, I'll just call and see. Vidyadhar, just unmute yourself. Vidyadhar. Vidyadhar.
You know that I am staying.
I think Prenjit Vidyadhar is not able to unmute himself, so we can move forward.
Sweetie is there. Sweetie, just unmute yourself.
Premjit, can you hear us?
Yes. And on your video. Yes, I can hear you, Santosh. Sweetie?
Hello.
Yes.
Sweetie, you are on
Hello.
line. You can speak to everybody.
Okay. But I can see only you, not everyone over here. This is something what I'm missing right now.
You will get the recording. Now see. For you, the request is granted now.
Okay.
And thank you very much for removing some time from your office hour.
Most welcome. Anyone else is also there, or we two are only there?
No, all teachers are there.
Okay. Ashish is also there. I can see Ashish as well.
All teachers, primary, secondary,
Okay,
pre-primary.
Sumati ma'am, I can see Sumati ma'am as well. Yes. Manisha is there. My teacher is there. Shobha ma'am is there.
Everyone.
Padma ma'am is there. Desaraj ma'am is there. Geeta teacher is there.
Lakbir, how are you?
I'm good, ma'am. How about you?
And how is your daughter, Lakbir? I always remember your daughter.
Yeah, I have sent her in our native place recently because we had some of patients in our society. So my father-in-law, mother-in-law, and my daughter, 3 of them have went in the village now.
Shifted over there.
So me and my husband is over here.
Robotic आवाज आ रहा है.
My elder brother reminds of you each and every time.
Yeah, and how is your mom? How is your mom? How is your mom?
Lakbir is having a son right now.
स्वीटी आवाज नहीं आ रहा है.
Okay, just hold on for a moment. I will move from here.
विकास
कर ले पारूंगा. बाबा बेचारे को और इन मास्क.
अब ठीक है, आ रही आवाज?
Yes, yes, sweetie, we can hear you clearly.
Okay. Lindsay ma'am is also there. Lindsay ma'am is staring at the video now. She has muted us.
जैसे मैंने कहा 1 hour वो सही
हमारा इतना मोबाइल फुल टाइम
Premjit, you there?
Now you can hear Champa. No.
I am fine.
Premjit, has Sumit put any poem? Premjit, has Sumit put any poem?
How are you? Gita, how are you? I have not. Other male, our patient, our patient, Premjit. Itu mobile ada nam band tango. Mobile ke
Premjit, you there? Premjit?
Time over,
I think so.
Now.
I should have listened.
No, the time is not over. Actually, Premjit got disconnected. She is joining back. Vikas? Vikas?
Chú nó chú ở nó
Hello. Yeah, I'm sorry that my net connectivity was gone. Yes, this one's. Because you can unmute yourself and talk. Vikas Jain, unmute yourself.
Yeah, good afternoon, all of you.
Yes.
And teacher, happy
Good
Teachers Day.
afternoon. You all are muted.
Yeah, ma'am. Happy Teachers Day, ma'am. all of
Thank you. विकास सब लोग म्यूट में है तो रिप्लाई नहीं मिलेगा. ओके, थैंक यू. और कुछ बोलना है? थैंक यू आने के लिए. सोनल दास. Sonal, unmute yourself. Sonal Das. Sonal Das. Sonal Das. Yes, Sonal, now we can hear you.
Hello.
Yes, Sonal, we can hear you. Put on your video now.
Audio is not here. Audio is not here.
Yes, Sonal, are you able to hear me?
Voice is not
And
coming.
This Kehkasha. You can talk now. I had made you. I had unmuted you, so now you can talk to teacher. You won't be able to hear them because they all are muted.
Hello, happy Teacher's
Put on your
Day.
video now, Sonal.
Yeah. Nothing can see here.
Yes, Kehkasha Sheikh. Hello. Hello.
Hi, Geeta ma'am. But I can't see.
Yes, Sonal, आपका आवाज आ रहा है मुझे. आप कुछ बात करना है तो बोलो.
फोटो कट.
Yes, Sonal.
Hello.
Yes, Sonal, we can hear you, but unable to see your face. Okay, and this one, Kehkasha Sheikh, can kindly unmute yourself now. Kehkasha Sheikh. They are not there. Okay. Champa ma'am, you want to give a try one more time? I have unmuted you. Champa ma'am.
Premjit, where is Sumit? Let him read his poem, na?
Yeah, there is
I am
Sumit's
unable
poem.
to share.
Yeah, let him read it. Let him read it.
Actually, I am looking out, but I guess he is in office now, so he left, I guess.
Do you have it, Premjit? Has he sent it to you?
Yes. Yes,
Then you
yes,
read
I am
it.
looking that one.
Okay, then go ahead. You read it.
1 minute, 1 minute. Yes, on behalf of Sumit, I am reading this poem because he is in office. Everything I am, everything I will be. I give it to you, teacher, and do it thankfully. Thankfully. Every song I sing, every praise I bring, everything I do is a gift to you. By Sumit Mohite.
Nice.
And yes, even Dr. Rupesh Surve and Dr. This one Rupesh Naik, both are busy in their busy schedule. So both of them have sent their best wishes to teacher. Nitesh had his second shift, and he in their office there is a rule they can't attend mobile during their working hours. They work in some project. So he has helped a lot. Avdesh is also, he was there, but I think network issue is there. That is why he is not there. So these two, then Santosh is already sitting with Padma Miss, and everybody who had made this day. I'm thankful to everyone. Okay, I'll share a screen so we can have the last concluding thing. Okay, Ashish, you can hear?
Yes, I can hear. Yes, Premjit, I can hear you.
गुरुर् साक्षात् परब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः
I think Premjit was trying to share some video, but looks like
Yeah, it's not to be seen.
Yes, ma'am, actually something went wrong, I guess. Ashish, can you share that video which is there in the group?
let me check.
Share screen share ready.
Did you share it on WhatsApp?
Yeah.
It has not come yet.
8th September. Okay, one more time, then I'll try.
It has not come yet.
I'll start. You make me host, Ashish.
Okay. Okay. Okay, I've made you.
Ashish?
Yeah, I made you host.
I'll try once. Now you are able to see?
No, we are able to see your desktop, the folder.
Ashish?
No, we are able to see your folder.
Oh, okay. Now? Now, Ashish?
It's still the folder.
Huh?
No, it is still the folder. I am able to see your folder. I think, is there any option of share application or share screen?
1 minute. Huh? Now? Yes, now you are able to see?
No, I'm able to.
Ashish?
No, I'm able to see your Windows. I mean the Explorer. But
Okay. ये इधर से play करती हूँ, wait. Now?
no, it's still the same.
Ashish, now?
No, it's still the same.
Still the same.
I think, Premjit, is there an option to share application or share the screen? So there might be two options. Share application and share screen.
Ashish, I am then unable to do it.
Okay, let me.
Ashish,
Yes, yes, Premjit.
you are able to see the video?
No, no.
No. See, no.
And I think you only download from your WhatsApp now.
Did you send it? I want to see it.
I know the video for the
Wait, my WhatsApp is on.
Premjit, can you share it?
See, now you are able to see my WhatsApp.
Okay. No. No, Premjit.
Acha, you are the host. Again, make me the host. Last time I will try. Otherwise, then we will conclude the meeting.
Okay.
Make me host. Yes, now Ashish.
Yeah. Yes.
Yes, we can see now.
But it will take time, I guess.
The share pancha Guru Brahm. Yes, yes. Now we can see the screen.
Thank you.
Inga. Mute on manage. Parabrahma Tasmai Shri Gurudeva Namah.
Right. Premjit, shall I try? The video is coming, but audio is not coming. Okay. Okay.
Thanks for making the very memorable one. Our blessings and prayers are always Santosh. Thank you so much for coming here on special day for gift. Also very, very happy. At least you should spend time with us. Thank you, dear. I am a student for your respect to honor your teachers, taking so much trouble and sacrifice and convenience. May God bless you all. Aridrika Desai sir. I am joy meeting us out of we are meant to explain to us teachers, the main warriors, but this group. I accept sacrifice and convenience. May God bless you. May warriors of the doctors spread their I support. Happy birthday.
Yes, thank you very much, everyone. On behalf of this primary teacher, Pantha teacher, actually she also wanted to join, but couldn't join because of no internet. And even Thomas ma'am and our two teachers, they are in US, so they won't be able to join because of the time issue. And I thank each one of you for joining this meeting and to make this day a special one. Thank you. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.
Thank you.
God
Thank you,
bless all of
Premjit.
you all.
And
Thank
God
you,
bless
Yes,
Premjit.
Ashish, you
Thank
can
you,
unmute
Ashish.
everyone now.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Very nice.
everybody. God bless you, Ashish, Premjit, everybody. And thanks for the gift. Thanks for the gift and the certificate.
And
Thank you.
yes, one more announcement. Today we have made a last preparation by just sending a token of love to all our teachers. Maybe your goodie bag would reach those who are fortunate, those who are living in Chembu. We could manage to deliver them, but others would get by Monday or maybe by Wednesday. Those who are like in Kerala and where in Bangalore and all that. It is just a token of love, nothing more.
Thank you for remembering us.
I know. Thank you, Premjit. Thank you.
Yes.
Bye, all of you all.
Yes, thank you, ma'am.
Bye. Bye. Bye.
Thank you.
Vikas, Ashwini, you. Bye.
Bye.
Bye, teacher.
Kalishwari, you are still the innocent child only with a smile.
Thank you,
Bye,
ma'am.
Shilpa.
Bye,
Bye,
teacher.
Shilpa. Bye-bye.
Goodbye.
Bye, all of you. Happy Teachers Day again.
Yes.
Same to you. Same to you. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye. Teachers Day.
Happy Teachers Day to all teachers.
जाने का दिल नहीं कर रहा है.
We can meet like that another day.
And
Just like that.
And
Chat.
see, yes, Kamala
Yeah.
ma'am. See, we were thinking of 40 minutes, but Zoom today they were blessing blessing on us that we could share 1.5 hours actually.
Oh, that is great. That is great. Zoom only you get 40 minutes. Good. You can go for that Google or something, na? There is no time
Yes, ma'am.
limit there.
That is there, but then Zoom it was easy, so that is why we went for Zoom. Next time we will try for Google in case again we are meeting online.
Google Meet.
Yeah, again. Yeah.
Again, yes. One day we can still decide and we can meet,
Yes.
so that even you can chat with your colleagues.
Yeah, chit chat, yeah.
So that is why I asked Ashish to unmute everybody so that they can talk to their colleagues and friends.
Hello.
And Asma ma'am, you can unmute yourself. Ashish, unmute everybody so that if whatever they want to tell, they can talk.
Yeah, I've done. So there's an option to ask or to unmute. So everyone will get a pop-up.
Okay, Nazma ma'am, you are telling something. Unmute yourself, ma'am.
Hello.
Unable to hear you.
हेलो.
हाँ रानडे मैम बोलिए.
हाँ.
Yes.
अब ठीक है. नजमा.
हाँ बोलिए. Now you can hear.
हाँ.
Now all teachers
शोभा.
can chat.
नमस्कार.
Yes. सबको देख के बहुत खुशी हुई. इन लोगों की वजह से.
True, true.
Unmute.
Unmute करिए.
नजमा.
Nazma ma'am, unmute yourself, ma'am. Radha teacher, even you also. Hello, Nazma ma'am and Radha teacher. Unmute.
Hello.
Again you muted, Nazma ma'am. No, we are not able to hear you, Nazma ma'am.
I am unmuted.
Now we are able to hear you.
மியூட் பண்ணீங்க. மீட்டிங் இஸ் அன்மியூட்
Nazma ma'am, unable to hear you, ma'am.
Hello.
You have to
Yes.
unmute.
Only here, Shobha ma'am, you let.
Shobha ma'am, how are you?
I am very fine. How are you? How's your husband, children?
Yes, I want to thank all sirs, those who have helped our teachers.
Yeah, Shobha.
And their children also.
Shobha
Radha,
madam.
how are you?
Hello, Geeta.
I'm Geeta.
How are you?
Yeah, now only you can hear
Fine,
me.
fine.
How are you? How are you? How's your husband,
I'm
children?
fine. I'm fine. All both are fine.
Convey my regards to your husband.
Yeah, thank you.
अरे इला साठला फोन लागते पिल्या ते माझं
Meenakshi. Meenakshi.
Meenakshi ma'am, unmute yourself.
How are you?
Meenakshi ma'am, unmute yourself, ma'am.
Yeah, fine.
Meenakshi.
Hello.
How are you, Meenakshi? How are your children? All fine?
Fine.
Okay. Hi. Sally.
ए बघ मी हे झालेलं लावते थांब जरा
I couldn't see you. Salisa.
Yes.
Thank you for that.
How are you, Salisa?
बघ ती
Fine.
याची बसली एका
Where
ठिकाणी
are you? I couldn't see you, Salisa.
I am in Dombivli.
Dombivli, okay.
Yes. I sit with my grandson.
Hello. That's what. Your grandson is here with you.
How are you, Gita teacher?
I'm fine.
Now I am sitting
sir
with my
kaise hai?
grandson. Grandson fine. Vishnu sir fine.
Hi. I couldn't see him only, but anyhow, hi.
आज सवेरे मिले थे विष्णु सर.
Okay.
हाँ.
Shobha madam.
आप कहाँ है गीता टीचर? आप कहाँ है?
How is your grandchildren?
Yeah, fine.
Swati?
They're fine. They're going to school.
Oh, good.
Fine.
Okay.
All are fine.
Okay. They are in Thane only?
Yeah,
Shobha
Thane
madam?
only. They are going to DAV school, Thane.
Okay. Convey my regards to her.
Yeah. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Sumati?
Can you hear me?
I can hear you. Yes.
Yes, Puranik ma'am. Yes.
हाँ बोला
I
टीचर.
can hear, but I couldn't.
Hello,
recognize
Najma.
the word.
कशी आहे? नजमा, राधा, कशी आहे तुम्ही?
शोभा मॅडम.
हॅलो.
तुम्ही कसे आहात सर?
हा, शोभा कशी आहे?
छान आहोत.
हो बरी आहे. मस्त आहे. तुम्ही कसे आहात?
हो, मी
बस
छान
मजेत
आहे.
एकदम.
बरी आहे. हो, मजेत.
तुम्ही कसे आहात?
सुकेशिनी कशी आहेस?
हॅलो. मॅडम कशा आहात तुम्ही?
मी मस्त खूप छान. तुम्ही कशा आहात?
हो, तुमची
छान,
आठवण
छान.
येते खूप. सगळ्यांची खूप आठवण येते.
आम्हाला पण खूप येते मॅम.
मीनाक्षी, शिल्पा,
टीचर बोला.
संतोष, शिल्पा, कसे आहात सगळे? स्वीटी,
मजेत एकदम.
मजेत ना? कमला,
हो एकदम मजेत.
Fine. How are you?
And thanks to everyone, and for special thanks for the anchor who has done all